recall several decades ago, sir, I had applied to travel to one of these Western countries during a vacation, and I was bounced. And the reason was that I hadn't traveled out of Ghana before. A few months later, we attended Nigeria for the first time to attend a youth conference, and we were taken to the Obasanjo farms in Nota. So Nigeria is my gateway to Africa. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Your Excellency, my brother, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Your Excellency, my brother, the former President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Goodluck Jonathan, brought us together. I was not supposed to be talking to you now, but the Executive Director of Goodluck Jonathan Foundation came to me as I was sitting by Bishop Kuka, who is supposed to give a keynote address. I was supposed to have a fireside chat, and I was prepared for that. I don't know where the fire will come from, but I was prepared for a chat. Then she came to me and said, "Do you mind saying something now?" I said, "But you did not warn me that I was saying something now. You said you should say something." Well, before I was then thinking, what should I say? What should I do? And I want to seek advice from the man on my left, and that's Bishop Kuka, to say, "Bishop Kuka, what do I say?" And I thought he would probably be saying, "Say in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit." And even before I could ask him, then the lady, who is the mistress of the ceremony, called me up. And you see me coming up, feeling unprepared, untutored. Yes. And I listened to the president of ECOWAS, who ended on 3 notes. I will start on 3 notes too. And probably we will deliberate more on those 3 points as the day goes by. Democracy dies because democracy has refused to be reformed. There are 3 aspects of democracy that cannot continue to exist the way it was as defined by the American president. Government of the people, by the people, for the people. And in that definition, democracy is meant to be all people's action. And if democracy will not die and be buried, not just die and be buried, democracy must be reformed in context, in content, and in practice. In my part of the world, we have a saying that the thing that killed the vegetable is the insect in the vegetable. The thing that is killing democracy, and we kill it, is the practice of democracy. All the essentials that should be part and parcel of democracy are being ignored or are being bastardized in such a way that democracy has failed to deliver. And democracy cannot deliver unless it is reformed. And if it's not reformed, it will not only fail, it will die, and it will be buried. And yet, there's not any real substitute for democracy as it was originally designed. Government of the people, all the people. What we have now is not government of the people, the government of some people, by some people, over all the people. And they talk of government democracy as government of the majority. If you talk of government of the majority, what do you do with the minority? Then minority is not part of the people. I hope as we go on today, we will deliberate on this, and probably we will find a means by which we will put new life into democracy through democratic reform. Thank you very much.
To the center of the world, where the best jollof to praise. Cheers to...
You live here?
Most of the time.